welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Firefly Lane is an upcoming American drama streaming television collection evolved by the way of means of Maggie Friedman for Netflix. The collection is primarily based totally on the unconventional of the identical call by way of means of Kristen Hanna. On February 22, 2019, it turned into news that Netflix has given a manufacturing a chain order for the primary season along with 10 episodes. Maggie Friedman evolved the collection, who turned into additionally predicted to government produce along with Stephanie Germain, Katherine Heigl, and Lee Rose. Ben Lawson of 13 Reasons Why repute has joined the Katherine Heigl in Netflix's Firefly Lane. The collection follows Kate and Tully, who met as younger women and come to be inseparable excellent pals of 30 years. When a betrayal breaks them apart, the two girls move their separate ways and Ismail's uncertain whether or not they will ever reconcile. The collection is primarily based totally on the bestseller of The Identical Call via way of means of Kristen Hanna. Lawson will take Kate's former husband Ryan, who has extended expert records with Tully. Maggie Friedman will write, showrun, and government produce the 10-episode collection with Peter O'Fallon directing the primary episode. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates. Official release date: the wait is over. Here is great information for fans. Firefly Lane Season 1 will most reliable on 3 February 2021. Save the date. Principal images for collection started on 17 September 2019 and ended on 21st January 2020. Vincent De Paul and the cinematographer of the collection really got a hold on analyzing greater to locate that out, so we could get started. Here are the solutions to your questions. In the primary season, we can be having Katherine Heigl as Tully Hart and Alice Kovai as young Tully, along with Sarah Chalke as Kate Mulclery, Ron Curtis as young Kate, and Ben Lawson as Ryan. We can even see Bo Garrett as Cloud, Yael Human as Mara, and Patrick Sabongi as Shad Wiley. On the display, we can be having Chella Hostel as Maggie Mullarkey, Brendan Taylor as Mutt, and John Ecker as Max Brody. Also, we can be seeing Brandon J. McLaren as Travis, Jenna Rosenau as Kimber Watts, and lots of greater. The quick snippet, which debuted a few days previously, is much lesser than a minute lengthy, focusing frequently on a deep-rooted friendship among Tully and Kate, lasting for eternity, defying all odds. Needless to mention that this unfight amenity is filled with an awesome quantity of hotness that is essential charisma splashed by the way of means of the trailer. It is a tie-in on the unconventional scaffolding and set up for a few behind-the-scenes records surfacing online, hinting greater of its ability sequence. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.